Hey guys, this is Greg coming to you with another, I guess I could say, set of bonsais here. You're looking at saplings of seeds that I pulled from clementines. So this is kind of a grand experiment just to kind of see what we got here. The guy on the right shot up about a month ago, not even that. A couple weeks ago. We're at the end of July, so I would say probably by the beginning of July, this guy was popping up out of the ground. You can kind of see some similarities here in the leaf structure with a lemon tree, like that I've shown you on my channel already. So I'm not sure what these guys are going to look like in a couple years, but this is pretty much in its infancy. A little baby. Let's see if I can, there we go, get in a little bit on there just so you guys can kind of see. For scale, here's my finger. Okay, so it almost comes up to my knuckle. But that is, we're saying clementine. I'm not exactly sure. You know, clementines are pretty much seedless, but this guy had a seed in it, so I tried him out. My wife really likes them. My son really likes them. So I thought, well, let's put some seeds in and see what we get from there. Clementines are kind of a mixture. You know, they're miniature. So we kind of wanted to see what would grow from it. The guy on the left, this guy right here, who is, let me see if I can zoom in on this guy. This guy is just poking its head out right now, which is awesome. Okay, this is awesome to see. The guy on the left compared to the guy on the right, the guy on the left was actually planted earlier than the guy on the right. The only difference is that this guy here, I did not take the seed pod, the cover off of the seed before I planted it. This guy I did. So that kind of goes to show you how much more work the guy on the left had to do over the guy on the right. So we have about a month difference here in growth. And this guy was planted probably a couple days before this guy. So that kind of gives you an idea. So I'm not sure what these guys are going to look like. They may be totally different. They were packaged together, but they may not be from the same tree. You never know. These guys, I'm gonna have to do some research on them a little bit more, but they're crossed between a couple different citrus fruits, so they may not grow into what they are now. They may not be that. So time will tell, and we'll see if they're closer to lemons, closer to limes, closer to an orange. We'll find out. So if you have any questions, concerns, put them down below. Make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. All right, guys, if you have any questions, put them down there. I'll be there for you, all right? Thanks. Take care. See you next time.